I worked on the Clinton campaign in the summer going into last year, and at the beginning of the summer we were based in the Ohio Democratic Party headquarters, and then like the organizers, so I had an organizer out of Columbus, and then on campus they both recommended that I look into that. So I was the chief of staff's intern. So I kind of helped her with what she did. So I met David Pepper, who's the chairman of the ODP. My boss, Bridget, was his chief of staff. So I worked pretty closely with him. And part of what she does that I helped her with is organizing where he should be speaking. They've just started an 88 county initiative, I guess, and one of my projects was looking at all of his events that he's done in the past 2 years, seeing what counties he's been to the most, what he hasn't really been to at all, and helping put together where he should be in the future. I also helped with like day-to-day office stuff, but I was really involved, which was one of my favorite things, with like actually doing a lot of the political stuff. So I spoke with a lot of the county party chairs, sat in on the staff meetings every Monday and learned exactly what everybody was doing, how they were preparing for not just 2018 but 2017 as well. We basically as soon as I got there, we were about to kick off our redistricting petition drive, and that's a petition to end gerrymandering in Ohio, and I got to be not just in the petition gathering side of it, which was also very cool, but the validating the petitions, seeing how many we were getting, working with the parties in kind of like a competition of which county was able to get the most signatures. And yeah, working with the partner groups that we were working with to make sure that we were able to get this on the ballot at some point. I think that having the experience is going to be really good because I wasn't just it was very hands-on. I wasn't just answering phones and opening mail and stuff or listening to voicemails. I felt like I was actually involved in a lot of the things, and I got to be a part of a lot of conference calls that had a lot of high-powered people on it. So I think that was really cool, and getting to work so closely with David Pepper and getting to meet a lot of the statewide candidates, I think will help me in the future.